Have you ever looked at a struggling plant and wondered if its roots still have life left in them? Before giving up, try this simple rice flour fertilizer. It can add organic nutrients to the soil and support beneficial microorganisms. Take 1 teaspoon of rice flour and add it to 1 liter of water. Rice flour contains carbohydrates and small amounts of nutrients that can support soil life. Stir thoroughly until the mixture is well combined. Now let it sit for about 30 minutes, then stir again. This gives the organic material time to soften and mix into the water. Next, strain the mixture carefully. The liquid can be used as a gentle soil treatment around the roots. Pour only a small amount around each plant, especially if the pot is small. Rice-based organic matter can support beneficial microorganisms, improve soil activity, and help make nutrients more available to the roots. For a leaf treatment, dilute a small amount of the strained liquid with clean water and lightly mist the leaves. Avoid soaking them and test on a small area first. Remember, this is not an instant cure for a truly dead plant, but with proper sunlight, watering, drainage, and healthy soil, it can be a useful natural addition to your plant care routine. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!